Scali bread. Boston's signature Italian loaf. You'll find it in bakeries all over Boston, where it's a must-have for sandwiches or simply enjoyed with butter. Its airy crumb and signature sesame coating are simply irresistible. To the bowl of a stand mixer, add 225 grams of water, 50 grams of milk, 40 grams of neutral oil, 150 grams of active starter, 475 grams of bread flour, and 10 grams of salt. Transfer the bowl to your stand mixer and knead on a low speed until the ingredients are homogenous. Then increase the speed to medium-low and knead until the mixture turns into a smooth mass that resists tearing when pulled, about 10 to 12 minutes. Turn the dough out onto a clean counter and knead by hand for about 1 minute to form a smooth round. Then transfer to a 2-quart container to ferment until the dough completely fills the container, about 10 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour a working surface to prevent the dough from sticking and the gluten from tearing as you work with it. Divide the dough into 3 equal sections, about 310 grams each. Shape each piece into a round by tucking all the ends underneath the surface. Cover and rest for about 30 minutes to let the gluten relax completely. Roll each piece into an 18-inch long rope. I like to do this by flipping the round bottom side up and folding the top and bottom of the round into the middle. Then I fold the entire section in half, gently roll it out, then fold it in half again, repeating until the rope is about 18 inches long. Once each piece has been rolled out, cover each in an egg whitewash, and then roll them in sesame seeds. Details for this are in the written recipe. Braid the strands just as you would braid 3 strands of hair and leave them on a half-size sheet pan to proof. Let the loaf rest until it is very puffy and doubled in size again, about 4 more hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 40 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool for at least 30 minutes before diving in. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.